To refurbish the JetTrac mechanism, follow the steps below. Open the two screws on the top of the U-shaped mechanism holder. Turn the mechanism and open the three screws on the bottom part of the housing to unwind the spring. Open the four screws of the bottom part of the housing to open the mechanism. Take out the lower part of the belt guide as shown before you take out the complete spool including the spring. Open the screw on the bottom of the spool in order to take off the top cap of the spool. Remove the spool with the belt and replace it with a new belt. Replace the top part of the spool before tightening the screw at the bottom. Place the complete spool, including the spring, back in the housing and place the bottom part of the belt guide back at its place. Place back the three screws of the inner circle of the bottom plate of the housing. Pre-wind the spring by turning the bottom plate clockwise 4 times. Tighten the 4 housing screws before placing back the mechanism in the U-shaped holder.